Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you some easy tips and tricks to get through the maze room without getting lost. First, just head to the Pirate Cove and enter the cave. And then now, just keep in mind that the maze layout is different on every server, so it can be a bit tricky. But don't worry, I have got a simple trick that really helps. And then make sure you have a strong light source like a lantern or a rod with a light effect. And then just increase your phone screen brightness. And next, just zoom out your screen so you can see a wider area of the maze before moving. And once you enter the maze, if you find a layout like this, just follow my step carefully. Just turn left and then turn right and then just turn right again, turn left and then next just like this, and then turn left, turn right over here, and then turn right again and left, and like this. When you meet the candle like this, just follow the path. It will guide you the final path that leads right to the treasure room like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.